Do you want to know how you can change the background color of your MetaTrader 5? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Financeable. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the background color of your MetaTrader 5. Go ahead and open MetaTrader 5 and go to Charts. After you go to Charts, click on the three lines and go to Settings. As you go to Settings, scroll a bit down and you can see Choose Theme. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see there are three: System Default, Light and Dark. If your system is dark, it will automatically be dark or light if you choose System Default. But if you want to choose the light one, go ahead and click Light, and if you go to Charts, you can notice that the background has changed. Now to keep it to dark, go to Settings, scroll a bit down, go to Choose Theme and click on Dark. After that, you will see that your background of MetaTrader 5 will be changed. I hope this video about how you can change your MetaTrader 5 background color was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.